wait.
We have to. We have to.
This is going to be sick.
The power of nature.
Wait, go up the very back. Maybe we can get a better look at it.
Yeah.
Holy moly!
There's a lot of water.
Yeah, quite a lot of it.
Huh.
Wait, do you want me to get up here? Maybe.
Oh.
Look at that beauty. That Hunter, look at that cool. Let's get a photo of that.
Yeah, that is.
This is going to be so cool.
Imagine there's a tornado.
Here, it's beautiful, isn't
Beautiful.
it? You just tell me when you want to go back, because I don't know how long we're allowed.
10 minutes ish.
10 minutes?
Yeah.
That's ages, but we've been here for like 5. Well, not even, like 2 minutes.
Yeah. Yeah.
Oh. Should we go up to the soccer oval?
Nah. If we go there, they'll start to look for us probably. This is what we want every day in the US. That will basically every day.
It's beautiful.
It is.
Perfect. Like, so good. I love it.
A perfect storm.
Wait, should we go back and ask, like, maybe if we could run out here and get a quick, like, shot of it when it actually comes over?
Yes, probably. I'll probably just be filming out the window.
Yeah. Oh, it's so beautiful, isn't it?
Yeah.
Looking at a lovely storm. It's going to do my daily stretch as well.
Whoa.
Some behind us. There's just some behind us.
Alright.
I'm
Cool.
looking forward to when that shit hits. Oh, that is going to be
That's looking like. Oh!
Was that lightning?
That was massive. Just the thunder.
You can travel the world, but nothing comes close to the golden time. Once you fall in love, you'll be falling in love. Oh, oh, oh. Yeah, for your girl, we're unforgettable. Days in your so cool.
Oh. Over there too. Look at that.
Oh, this is gonna be so cool. Once it's over, once it's over us.
First thunderstorm during school and it's already turned 4.
Did you see that? Flash, lightning, there's lightning just over there.
Alright.
Wait, Hunter.
Yeah?
Pass me your iPad, I'll get up there. Who cares? Gotta take some risk in your life, yeah?
Guess you have to, but
That's nice.
not during a thunderstorm though.
You know what I'm gonna do when I'm older? I'm gonna hold a massive metal
Wait,
pole.
what?
It's like right there. But that's it. It's like right there.
It is actually.
She's heating up!
She is,
Oh,
but
this is beautiful.
it is, but it's,
Well, should we stay out here until somebody comes and says that we need to go in? Just like stay a few, like 20 minutes actually. Just until it's still good.
if it starts to spit, that's when
Is
we
the
should.
grass wet? No, I'm sitting down. Oh, but this pole is wet. Anyway.
Over there's looking fresh.
What way is it going?
Oh!
Oh, that was
Yeah,
beautiful.
I saw that right. I don't know if that was in front of the camera.
Wait, shh.
Yeah,
Did you hear the beeping?
I did.
It might have just been the buggy, but I swear. Is there a radar in Bannockburn that, like, if there's a really big, like, tornado or something, even though that probably won't happen, is there one that, like...
There has been one that's like really close to us.
Yeah, no, but, like, is there, like, a radar in Bannockburn that, like a siren that, like, if they put it on, then, it tells everybody to, like, it warns everybody to leave? Do you know?
No, I don't know.
I really just want to see.
Behind that grey is probably just more of that over there.
It looks so cool from this angle, though.
Should we go back inside?
What?
Should we go back inside?
You want to?
Yeah, I think we should. Starting to get a bit close.
Nah. Let's just say like. Are you gonna put this on YouTube?
Yeah. Hell yeah!
Oh, that! Holy shit!
I'm doing this.
Oh my god! That is a 1, 2, 3 takedown. No, that was the biggest flash.
It was.
That was massive. But I want to sit here until I see a massive flash. It's like a massive lightning right there.
Nah.
It's like right there.
That's starting to get a bit loud. That's actually starting to get a bit loud. One last. No way. No way there was like a little thud over there. Oh no, I had to vibe over there. Right, low lying clouds. No way that's a wall cloud. Oh my god. Oh my.
I feel so bad for
Oh my god! This is insane! This is look at the roof! Shoot the roof! Shoot the roof! Oh my god!
I have to get out there.
Oh my god! Call your mom. I have to call my auntie to come pick me up.
Look at the top! Oh my god!
I'm trying to get a drink.
Oh my god!
Oh, they have to run in the. Oh my god!
Oh my god!
I think that's just someone kicking something.
Can we go into session 5?
If you guys were not screaming about the weather, you would have heard me say that you need to be done with your maths before you can move on.
Oh, I can't stop running.
They are on my table.
A card.
It's not easy to just trace it over.
There's an Arabic song. The Arabic Indian Bible. The Arabic Yeah, really.
Anything yet? You being recorded?
No lighting on camera yet, but it's still.
Wait, can my hand say hi?
No.
Yeah, because look at mine. Stop it.
Yeah, it's like slowly.
Because they just got
And then everyone else is like,
Oh! Oh! Guys, shush! I'm gonna open the door. There was lightning. There it is. Oh. Hear it. Did you saw hit the thunder? Did you hear it? Did you saw the thunder? No, I didn't see the thunder. I heard the thunder, but I didn't get the lightning strike.
Look at the tiger. Can you close the door? It's really cold.
Really cold, right? Oh, that's deep. That is deep as. My shoes are filled. Hi, George.